What's up, guys? It's Hardcore Crypto here. In this video, we'll be taking a good look at Bitcoin. As we all can see, a lot has happened over 24 hours, the past 24 hours, which has been good, which has been great. We got some news from regarding the Chinese, the Asian and the Chinese governments and the US government after the meeting at London, in London. Yeah. So before we dive straight into the chart, let's just go straight into the fundamentals. So these are what happened in the last 24 hours when it comes to Bitcoin. We saw Michael Saylor, which is MicroStrategy, buying 1,045 Bitcoin worth $110 million, which is crazy, guys. Extremely crazy. Okay, Amazon announces 20 billion US investment to advance AI innovation, really, really huge for AI. And also, BlackRock EBIT Spot Bitcoin ETF becomes the fastest ETF in history to reach $70 billion AUM. That's crazy. And also, we have the SEC chair, Paul Atkins, says the right to self-custodied crypto is a foundational American value. So let us watch this video to see what
Another core
it's all
feature of
about.
blockchain technology is the ability of individuals to have self-custody of crypto assets in a personal digital wallet. To have self-custody of one's private property is a foundational American value that should not disappear when one logs on to the internet. I'm in favor of affording greater flexibility to market participants to self-custody crypto assets, especially where intermediation imposes unnecessary transaction costs or restricts the ability to engage in staking and other on-chain activities.
So that was one of the huge news that made the market surge really, really high yesterday. Late yesterday, the market was pumping away from 2%. Bitcoin was able to go close to, I think, close to 4%, I guess. I guess it was 4%, yes. So it was really, really crazy. And also, we saw Trump and President Trump says he won't get rid of his Tesla or Starlink and wishes Elon Musk well. So like I've been saying in my previous video, I felt or I still feel like whatever transpired between Trump and Elon Musk, it's the fact that's bringing to the internet. It was just for people to like get scared, create uncertainty, create fraud in the market for people to sell. These people are one of the inside traders. So that is just it. Bitcoin got to a local high of 110,000, roughly 500, which is great. You could see also $11.5 trillion BlackRock says wealth advisor adoption for Bitcoin is very early. So just in, okay, the short got liquidated, 110 million Bitcoin short positions were liquidated, and we still kept on getting the Trump and Elon Musk news of Elon Musk delete post saying President Trump's tariff will cause a recession in the second half of this year. As you could see, like I kept on saying, all these guys, all they do is just come up with all sort of all sort of fear news that we instigate fear, that we instill fear in people in order for people to sell. So and they buy the dip. So now that crypto is now in the knowledge of these politicians, these elites, these rich folks, they will definitely try as much as they can to put out whatever bad news they need to put out there in order for them to take advantage of the market, getting whatever they want to get at a discount. So you need to be very, very intelligent. Apart from reading of charts or reading the news, you need to always think ahead of them. So now back to where we are. Now we could all see what is going on right here, that Bitcoin just broke or local high right here, and which it has invalidated my analysis, though it has not really invalidated my analysis, because my previous account I was still bullish on on Bitcoin. Yes, I'm still bullish on Bitcoin, because if you watch my second to my last video, I made it clear to you guys why I am still bullish on Bitcoin going high, why Bitcoin doesn't have to go as low as $92,000 as people were expecting. So a lot of people are saying stuffs about, okay, there is a head and shoulder pattern that is forming over here on Bitcoin. As you can see, that head and shoulder pattern, it has been invalidated. So that is we need to definitely get that right off the bat. Now we could see what just happened. I think this is a bearish divergence or a bullish divergence. I still haven't figured that out yet. So let's just take this as a trend line, which we were able to break after getting higher lows, lower lows, and higher lows. So as we could see right here, we broke above it, and we are currently finding a support around this level, which is 109,200. So we need to definitely make sure that we find a support around this level before we start making new highs this week. So there's every possibility that BTC can go as high as possible this week. And looking at price prediction for BTC long term, like long term, I'm seeing BTC going as high as 155,500. But in my other chart, there is every possibility for BTC to go as high as $119,000. Yes, $119,000. Now back to this chart right here that we can see. We could also say, okay, based on this analysis right here, there is every possibility for BTC to drop all the way down to $106,000 before we move to the upside. Maybe worst case scenario, sorry about that, maybe worst case scenario, we could get a move like this. We could get a move like this all the way down to $102,000, I guess $103,000 before get a move to the upside, which is really, really great. So if you want to go all in on BTC, now is the right time for you to go all in. You don't have to wait, okay, because if you wait, you probably get sidelined. But just wanted to let you guys know that, okay, there's a possibility for BTC to keep on rallying this week, though we might get a correction definitely all the way down to 106,400 before we move to the upside. So yeah, just wanted to let each and every one of us know. That's because, as you can see, we've broken this resistance right here, which is the 106,300 level. Because looking at it from here, you could see where we weren't able to break above it around here. It served as a resistance, and it also served as a resistance right here. So now we have broken above it. Hopefully we also broke above it around this level right here, but we didn't find support. So hopefully we might get a very good support around here. So just wanted to let each and every one of us know that. So regarding the the trade deal between the Chinese and the American government, nothing has been said yet. Nothing absolutely has been said yet. No results. But according to Trump, it's been going well. So we should definitely keep our hands crossed on. Maybe that might be the next good news that will definitely pump the market this week. So we should definitely be on the lookout for that. Thank you guys for watching. If you do enjoy this video, subscribe, turn on post notification, share this video with your friends, and also I'll be doing a giveaway when I hit 500 subscribers. Subscribe if you think you're gonna be the lucky subscriber, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Have a wonderful week. Peace out, guys.